Welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie, and we are down to the last two paintings from package 2 of my huge new frog order. Altogether, I believe there were 11 paintings in that box, or in that bag. If you haven't seen the other ones, go back earlier in the week. I'm not sure which way that translates. So go back earlier in the week and you can watch the other ones that came with these. So I do know what 2 of these are because they're the only 2 left in this package. They are both combos or multi-panels. One is a 3-panel and one is a 5-panel. So I think this is probably the 5-panel, and it needs to be this way for the viewfinder. Ignore my big stack of trays and stuff over there that haven't been put away. I just filmed all of these in a row. Taylor and I filmed 2, and I think this is the 3rd one and final one that I am filming for tonight. And then throughout the week I will edit and upload these. So you won't see them all at one time. You wouldn't have seen them because this is the last one all at one time. But they'll all be there. Okay, so we've got 2 more kits to add over there. Small plate of wax, big pen, green boat, no cutout. I don't know why I like this so much, but I really like this. Let's stretch this out a little bit here. If I get rid of the glare, that would be just great. This is this. Oh, you can see right here. Ordered November 15th. I've got to go in and put shipped November 21st. Both of these were delivered December 15th. So it took exactly a month. And my cost, 75 cents. Normally sells for 13. I think it says 13.25. Either it says 13.25 or 13.52. I'm trying to read it in the viewfinder, but I think it says 13.25. Yes, it does. So there's that. It has 14 colors to it, which I find kind of impressive. It doesn't look like it would have, I guess up through here there's a bunch of different colors, and yeah, I can see it. Alright, so 14 colors. Let's go ahead and take a peek at these 14 colors. The DMC codes are on the chart again. And on the bag. Incoming crinkles. I warn you like you don't already know that. I'm going to try to just stop warning people. You can see I'm about to open a bag. It's going to crinkle. Okay, here we go. Number 1, which is 310. 1 bag of 310. Number 2. 3. 2 bags of number 4. 5. 6. 2 bags of number 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, that one's 11. That one's 12. That one's also 12. So 2 bags of 12. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 bags of number 13. And then number 14. In the viewfinder, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you can tell there's a little bit of difference between those. When I first looked, it looked the same to me, but at least looking in the camera right there, I can see that there's a difference between them. So, 14 colors, measures, says it's going to be 95 by 45. That's the edges of the canvas, not the drilling area. So here to here, 95, blue line to blue line, 45. So I will actually, when I go to do this, when I go to keep track of it on my tracking sheet, I will actually measure this, and this is what size, I'll call this A, and then B, and what size this is, and C, and what size this is, D, and E. And then I know when I go to figure out how to frame it, or put it on a canvas, or however I'm going to hang this, I know what sizes I need. Or if I move them together closer and frame it on one big thing, then I'll have a good idea of how big it needs to be. So there is that one. All right, one more. That's it for package 2. Now, package 4, I believe only has one painting in it. So my guess is they didn't have the painting in stock when I ordered it. So they shipped out the ones they had, and then they shipped package 4 a couple days later. Okay, and the final one for package 2. This one is the 3 panel. And I put 95 by 45, but I will bet you if I look that I just was so used to typing 95 by 45 that I just put that, because they wouldn't have claimed this is a 45. Even here to here. So I'm pretty sure I just wrote that wrong. 2 more toolkits. This one has 15 colors. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to end up remodeling our downstairs bathroom, and I think we will probably do the tile on the floor in a grayish color, and then the one wall we'll probably do in a red, and then I'll put this on the gray colored wall, and then get shower curtains that tie it all together, and towels that tie it all together downstairs. My daughter redid our upstairs bathroom, and she did an amazing job. Psst, Katie, I need you to come over and finish it, babe. She just forgot to put up a piece of trim, I believe is all that was left in there. But I like to tease her about it, so. Okay, this one has 15 colors. I may have already said that. Here's what it was advertised to look like. So, yeah, I think just according to canvas only, I think they did a very good job of representing what it's going to look like. One thing I do like about New Frog is, for the most part, if you scroll through their pictures on each product, usually, there are some that don't, but usually they will have a picture of the actual canvas, so you can see what the drilling area is, if it's full, if it's partial, and kind of an overview of what it's going to look like. So I do like that about them. Okay, 15 colors. Well, there's 2 of number 15. I'm trying to get my laptop to not go to sleep. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so there's 4 bags of 2, which I'm going to guess is 310. Yep, 310. 3. 2 bags of number 4. 5. 6. 2 bags of number 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 bags of 11. 12. 13. 14. And then the 2 bags of 15. So yet again, all colors there. The only thing I can't tell you is if there's enough of each color, because I don't know, it doesn't have an inventory sheet, doesn't tell me how many I should have, doesn't tell me how many's in the bag. They go by weight, not a count on these. There we go. So I just trust that they'll all be there. If not, I don't know. I'll deal with that when I cross that bridge, I guess. So far, I've only run out of colors on one, and that was the one of my mom and dad. That was a rounds from Huacan, which is also the first time I've had any issue with Huacan. But Cherry has already sent those out to me, so. Alright, there is that one, and that completes New Frog, Big Order, Package 2. I still have Package 1, which is the big box, Package 3, which has quite a few in it, and then Package 4, which has 1. Again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'll do what I can to answer any questions you have. Also, just a reminder, January giveaway, all you have to do to enter is comment on my videos. Each week I will draw one entry into the giveaway, and either at the end of January or beginning of February, I will draw out of those entries a winner for the January giveaway. So go ahead, feel free to comment. Alright, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.